Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and we are back working on the dimensional control and the automatic spooler module of the multi-shooter. And also, of course, these modules can also be applied to other machines as well. Filmmaker, Fill-A-Shooter, Fill-A-Bot. Some other ones was another. Can't remember what that other one was. There's a one that's pretty small. It's got like the casing looks kind of like the Buccaneer, aluminum kind of wrapped around. Pretty cool. This would also work on that. Just saying. All right. So in this video, we are going to be working on fixing everything up. So we pretty much have everything that we're looking at. So right now, what we're gonna check is that everything's gonna fit together correctly and do any amendments that we need. So I can't exactly remember what the issue with this one was. Oh yeah, this hole was way too small or something. Or this one. Where's the... Oh. It was this one. So let's go ahead and start with the spooler module first. So first of all, this thing is way too small. Oh, also I'm uploading video to the Green Engineers right now, so it's gonna be kind of slow pulling stuff from the internet. All right. What do I do for this one? It's gonna be at least 1/4 inch. Okay, this guy. Alright, let's look at this guy. We're going to do all different types of... We're going to push these two together. First thing, we're going to get this guy pushed that way. So, going to be a lot tighter. So, instead of this... Instead of that, it's going to be from here to there. Actually, now I think about it, it's going to be from here to there, and from here to there, and then sketch dimension, and maybe move this a little closer. Oops. Okay, so wow, that's a pretty good guess. It is a guess. So with that, we could decrease this like 1/4 inch. Wow, I'm getting it with the guesses right now. And this doesn't nearly have to be that big. Oh, these are equal sizes. Let's roll with that for right now. I mean, these could be bigger circles, but we just... Oh, something went wrong here. Add feature. There we go. Alright. So now those are closer together. Oh, hopefully they're not intersecting. Oh, those look good. Those look almost tangent to each other. So let's go ahead and save this piece as... Oh, let's not save it yet. I need to change this hole. I remember now. Let's change that hole. Wait, what? See, this is where shit gets hella confusing. The smaller is the inside. So this here is 1/4. And the reason why that is like that is because of, oops. because of these springs. It's a 1/4" spring, right? I use a different spring, but that's not ideal. Yeah, 1/4" spring. It's kind of a small spring. Yeah, we should probably do a bigger spring for this guy. Let's just do a bigger spring and I'll just order it from China from the same place or whatever. So let's put this back to 1" and this bigger than 0.75 or whatever for right now. And what I'm going to do is push this guy out. Now what is this? Under 0.15? Okay, so yeah, we're going to use all the same bolts. So it's 0.10 wall. So this is going to be what we'll do right now. Oops. What we'll do right now, delete that and delete this. Oh, that's not what I want to do. We'll just have, we'll just have to dimension that for right now. I want it to be an offset, but we already have that guy, so let's not worry about it. Alright, so the biggest guy is 0.35. So you want this to be 1/2 inch, 0.5. This one's going to be up. Something didn't work out there. And why is it so far away? This one's 0.6. Hey, look at that. I'm just getting it for some reason right now. Alright. And, oh, but yeah, but these need to be bigger sizes. So, these to be at least 1/4 inch or bigger of these little guys here, because they'll snap the crap out of those. So 1/4 inch is freaking small. It's gonna be like 0.35 at least. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. 1.5. And then these guys are gonna go to 0.35. And what were they? So this is gonna be 0.3. Oops. Whatever, bro. Alright, and these are gonna be 0.35. Why are those so small? This whole thing's gonna be on that piece. It's gotta be at least point. Can't be right. This is the same piece, it's the same thing. Is this a radius? This is a diameter. Oh, okay, so it's oh. So yeah, let's go back. 0.5. Oops. 0.05. There we go. Alright, so then I'm going to push this at like 1.6 or so, and then these are going to be pushed over. The 0.2, yeah, 0.225. There you go. 0.225. 0.225. These guys should all be constrained. As you see, if you constrain things properly, you don't BS around so much with all that other stuff. Okay. What? Nope. Ain't gonna work. There you go. 0.60. Oh, obviously it's gotta be the same diameter there. Okay. Alright. I didn't change that hole, did I? It's the interior hole. There you go. You see that bolt's gonna have a really small head on it. So we might change this guy again later on, but it's good for now. There we go. Now we're going to change this bad boy to get it to be correct. So now this guy is going to be there she is. Head goes down over here. It's not too big, right? Oh shit, that was too big. The head's not gonna fit in there. So there's a couple interesting things I might do. I might like project this guy and then like cut hex out of this or something so that the nut fits in there. You can't turn the nut. So yeah, why is my pan not working? There we go. I don't know what the hell is going on there. Okay. This doesn't really need to be that thick. And this guy's oh, these are equal. Does that necessarily mean that these are yes, they are the same angle. Oh, yeah, by the way, when I said that this is wrong, sorry, I was talking about if the angle here is under 45, it's going to be difficult. If it's over, it's fine. So what I'll do here, actually, in this case, is I will start deleting some of these equal signs for right now. Just because I don't want anything to start blowing up. Alright. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch dimension for these two pieces. Oh, over constrained, have an issue here doing something. I might have to delete some of this. Okay. So this is gonna be like, wait, what? Well, these are differing in degrees. So what is it? What the hell? Oh, I need to coincide this piece with this piece. Should be coincided. Why? mean, that looks fine to me. But I don't know how I'm going to sketch dimension. I thought this was going to be like a... not a degree thing. Oh! One way to do it. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Oh. Get rid of this guy for right now. And do that. And do that. Sketch the dimension of those two. It's fine. Sketch the dimension of that one. It's fine. I mean, I don't really need the other one. There we go. Now they're separate. And I want this one equal to that one. Okay. 0.36. So it comes together 0.36. So it's not very thick. Let's take a look. Uh-oh. I don't know what its deal was with that extrude. Whatever. Okay, that looks quite a bit better. So the space here to there. Oh, half an inch. Wow. So you probably get better than that, but it's gonna be pretty strong because you have this length, which is probably half an inch, because it's 0.35. Yeah, half an inch. So half an inch thick, 0.35. It's 101.175 or whatever area. So it's a pretty decent area to cover there. I should probably just print it like this then. I'll figure it out. Alright, so that is good. And so yeah, then I don't know why I have these so thick. I'll probably optimize this better, but I think it's probably pretty good as far as physical material. Check that out really quick. It'd probably save next to nothing, but let's check that really quick. I'll just look at it in pounds because I know that it's pretty close. Body. It's an ounce, is 1.1 ounce. And then you'd multiply that by 20, but right now let's convert it into centimeters really quick. And then look at the body again. So let's say 40 grams. Multiplied by 0.20. 8 grams. I don't really care. Well, it's probably drop a gram or so. Less. You can almost print 100 of those. Okay. So this is good for now. This one I never had an issue with. This guy. Alright, so this guy is another guy we need to get up to speed. We're at 20 minutes now in video. Alright, so in order to do that, we need to look at this guy and this guy, and now these two have to mate up, I guess you could say. Oh, and now the spring would be different, wouldn't it? Oh no, because this is a 0.75. This is also 0.75, isn't it? Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is perfect. This is perfect, because this is where the FSR has to go in. And FSR has 0.75. The interlink 402 has a 0.75 diameter. Speaking of, where's mine? It's sitting. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, so it's 0.75, and then the inner is 0.5, so that's perfect. So the spring will take up that, but there will be a little piece that goes on here that distributes all the pressure throughout. It'll be a little plastic cap, just a circle with a little piece that that goes over top FSR. So yeah, now we need to do all the holes and shit for this one. And also that gives me an idea. This is not going to work because the FSR has to be that big. It's 0.85. So for right now, alright. So we're gonna have to match this guy again. .65 and let's delete these. Okay. So now these are going to be the radius, right? This is the radius of this guy. Radius 0.425. Oops. Ooh. Wait, what? Oh. I know what I did wrong here. This guy. Okay. This guy needs a... this line to this line. Oh, I don't know if that's going to push it though, because it's touching the other guy. Let's get dimension. Yeah, it's already coincided here. Let's get dimension. Ah, there we go. 0.425 was. Shit. Alright, well, let me see if I get it to coincide correctly. Oh, I got it. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. Don't want to get rid of it. Coincide, there we go. 0.425. And get this guy to coincide that guy. Alrighty. Looking good, looking good. Alright, so this is going to be like 1.75. Cool. Cool, cool. Alright, so now that guy should be good to go. So now this guy is going to need those two circles right there, because this is to this piece, which is 0.425 from here to there, and then the circle starts, and from here to there, and then the circle starts. Alrighty. So now, obviously, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to change this guy. The unfortunate issue with this guy is that this is pretty small. From this point to this point. 0.35, so I mean it's the same as the other one. The other one was 0.36. But it's going to need to be even smaller than that. Or what I could do is just make this top piece longer, which I'll probably do that. Anywho. Plus, I want to get this guy up farther. And what I'm going to do is just change this guy for right now. 0.20. Whatever. Or 0.35. It's probably going to tell me it's over constrained. If so, I'm going to have to delete that other one. Oh! Yeah, why exactly? I also need to figure out why it actually needs to be that tall. First of all, I'm going to figure out how tall it needs to be. How tall it needs to be is going to be dependent on the springs and stuff like that. So what I'll do is I'll just have this driven by that pulley piece, by this piece here, and then the spring length, and then the pulley length, because I want the pulley to be right here. So the film is going to come up right here during normal load. During normal load operations, it should be right here. So when you pull on the spring, when you put tension on the spring, compressing the spring, it should be right in here, and the filament should go right up through this way like that. Okay. Well, that definitely helped. So what did it go? What did it go from? I think it was like 1 inch or something. Okay, so it's just driving. It's just like keeping these constrained, and what this is, and then figuring that out. So I think that's where it was before. Yeah, that looks like it. So it was 2 inches. 2.5 or so. Alright. Let's go ahead and draw this, and we'll worry about that guy later. Alright. Need the next drawing, which should be probably this one. Oops. Oops, oops. This is sideways. Whatever. Why is it sideways? Anyways. Okay. Let's go into sketch mode on this guy. So this is a 0.35 and 0.05, 0.35, 0.05. So this is going to be 2.25. Wait, first one is 0.35. Right? No, 0.35 plus 0.05, so 0.4. 0.4. Ow, my god. Why is it not coinciding now? Coincide this one, this one. Inside this one. Okay, let's try that again. Circle. 2-point circle. Boom. This is, what did I say it was now? 0.40, right? What the hell? Fine. 0.40, 0.35 inside. 0.35 inside. 0.35. Oops. 0.35. 0.35. This is not, because this is diameter, so it would be plus an extra, so this is supposed to be 0.45, and it's going to go into the freaking thing. Is this even the right sketch? It has it right there. Oh. Should tell annoying. All right. Okay, let's make sure we're doing this correctly. So 0.5 radius, so 0.10, 0.45. It's 0.45, right? 0.45, 0.225. 4, 5. All right. This is going to be a construction line. Okay. It's taking me way longer than it should on this one. I don't really like that tool. That tool is all funky. Oops. Okay. And then the inside circle. 0.35. There you go. So line is 0.225, 0.225. Then a circle. 0.45. 0.45. There we go. Another circle. 0.35. And there we go. So obviously we could make this a little bit smaller if we wanted to. Anyways, did I just leave that sketch? I think I did. Alright, sketch won't turn off. I'm gonna extrude these ones. Cut. Oops. Cut to object here. Alright. Looks good. And then what we'll probably have to do is I'm going to open that one up again. I'm going to extrude this face this face up a wee bit here. Yeah, no, not for now. What I'll do is I'll just make this guy thicker. It's on the back side. Oops. There you go. How's that? Alright. So now that should be plenty fine. Okay, yeah, that will be it. That's actually, I don't like how big that is. Way over time, 0.35. Alright. Stop that sketch, and that's pretty much it for this video. The first video of going back and cleaning everything up, getting ready to print all these for trial and see what they look like and see if they will work for us. Alright, so this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and other series as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Take it easy. Peace.